We are very happy today with the inauguration of this plant. We were attracted to UP by the Chief Minister, by the administration. They have been very positive, and as you can see, we have from start to finish, this plant has been inaugurated in a record 14 months' time. This really would not have been possible without the full support of the whole administration and the push from the Chief Minister himself. I really believe that from all the experiences we've had throughout the country, this has been a very positive one, and we look forward to seeing how we can continue growing our facility over here as well. Well, Ashok Leyland is one of the largest supplier of logistic vehicles to the Indian Armed Forces. We've been partnering them for the last 40 years. And with the growth and the geopolitical situation, we see there's tremendous need for our own ambitions in this defense sector to expand. Drones and UAVs are the start of it, and we look forward to seeing how we can expand this further as well.